Ever feel like your online activity isn't as private or secure as it should be? Maybe you've struggled with slow connections, blocked websites, or worrying about hackers and phishing attacks. That's where NordVPN comes in, a fast, reliable, and secure VPN designed to keep your internet experience safe, private, and seamless. With NordVPN, you can protect up to 10 devices at the same time. Whether it's your laptop, phone, TV, or even your router, every connection is encrypted, keeping your personal data out of prying eyes. You get instant alerts if your information leaks, protection against malware, phishing, and trackers, and a stable, high-speed connection no matter where you are in the world. Let's break it down. NordVPN gives you global access, 8,200 plus servers across 165 plus locations, so you always have a fast connection nearby. Privacy and security, your IP is hidden, your data encrypted, and surveillance or Wi-Fi risks minimized. Threat protection. Pro, blocks malware, ads, and phishing automatically without you lifting a finger. Dark web monitor, alerts you if your personal info appears in a data breach. Plus, it works seamlessly on all platforms: Windows, Mac, iOS, Android, Linux, smart TVs, and more. Using NordVPN is simple. Just install the app, select a server, and connect. Want to watch shows on streaming platforms from another country? Done. Need to keep your online banking or shopping secure on public Wi-Fi? NordVPN has you covered. Gaming, browsing, streaming, working remotely, it all becomes safer and faster. Right now, NordVPN is offering 73% off plus 3 extra months, making it easier than ever to protect your online life without breaking the bank. Don't wait. Your privacy and security can't be put on hold. Click the link and get NordVPN today. Protect your devices, browse safely, and enjoy a faster, worry-free internet. Take control of your digital life now.